The Galaxy S26 Ultra might actually be getting cheaper. Yes, you heard that right. According to trusted leaker Roland Quant, Samsung is planning something we almost never see anymore, a price drop on the Ultra model, even while chip prices are going up worldwide. Here's the crazy part. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus are expected to keep the same prices as last year, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra, especially the 256GB and 512GB versions, could be €100 cheaper than the S25 Ultra in Europe. That alone already changes the whole story around the S26 series. Now let me quickly break down the leaked prices. Galaxy S26 is expected at €899, Galaxy S26 Plus at €1,169, Galaxy S26 Ultra at €1,469 for 256GB, €1,569 for 512GB, and €1,829 for the 1TB model. And this pricing isn't guesswork. It's based on retail data, which usually leaks very close to launch. But pricing is only the beginning, because right after that leak, something else surfaced, and it shows how Samsung is quietly redesigning the S26 Ultra. Samsung enthusiast AlphaTurk shared images of what appeared to be official Kindsuit cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and they reveal more than Samsung probably wanted. The cases come in 6 bold colors: orange, rust, black, blue, olive, and white. But forget the colors for a second. What really matters is the shape. The back of the case clearly shows a prominent camera bump, and next to it are 3 extra cutouts, perfectly aligned for the TOF sensor, telephoto sensor, and LED flash. That tells us Samsung isn't hiding the camera hardware anymore. They're embracing it. And the design story gets even more interesting from here, because Evan Blass, one of the most reliable leakers in the industry, dropped 4 more images showing screen protection demos and case covers. These images reveal a big design shift. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus now have slightly reduced corner curves, making them feel more modern and balanced. But the biggest change? The Galaxy S26 Ultra. It finally has more rounded corners compared to the sharp, boxy S25 Ultra, a move that many fans have been asking for. Samsung also applied a camera island across all S26 models, unifying the design language for the entire lineup. This isn't just cosmetic. It changes how the phone feels in hand and how it sits on a surface. And just when you think that's all, according to trusted Samsung insider at Universe Ice, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just getting a basic privacy screen. Instead, Samsung is introducing selective content blocking. And this is where things get really interesting. Up until now, leaked visuals, early demos, and even Samsung's own explanations suggested that the privacy display would block or dim the entire screen. Simple, effective, but also limited. This new leak flips that idea completely. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will allow you to apply privacy display to specific areas of the screen only, not the whole panel. Let that sink in. Imagine you're using your phone in public. A notification pops up with sensitive information. Instead of darkening the entire display, only the notification area goes dark. The rest of your screen stays perfectly visible and usable. And here's the smartest part. From your viewing angle, the screen looks completely normal. No dimming, no distortion, nothing changes for you. But from the side angles, where prying eyes usually are, those specific pixels actively block visibility. Anyone trying to peek at your screen from the side will see nothing. This is made possible by Samsung's new Flex Magic Pixel display technology, working together with One UI 8.5 and Galaxy AI. The software intelligently controls which pixels block side angle visibility and when. So instead of a blunt privacy on or off switch, you get precision control. Only the selected area is protected. Everything else stays bright and clear. And yes, this setup will be customizable. Depending on how you configure it on settings, you can decide which portions of the screen use privacy blocking and when it activates. That's why this feature is a massive win for frequent travelers, commuters, and anyone who uses their phone in public spaces. Airports, trains, cafes. This is privacy without inconvenience. This latest leak shifts the entire narrative around Samsung's privacy display. It's no longer just a shield, it's a smart, adaptive privacy system. And if this is what Samsung is already teasing and leaking now, there's a lot more hiding behind the Galaxy S26 Ultra's display. So the real question is this the future of smartphone privacy? And trust me, this is just the beginning. This is not a render, and it's not just another rumor. This is a real-world leak of an actual Galaxy S26 Ultra part, and it just revealed some surprisingly important details. And there's one feature here that genuinely caught me off guard in the best possible way. Let's talk about it. What's up, guys? We've just seen a leaked SIM card tray from the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and if you understand how phone leaks work, you know this kind of detail actually matters. SIM trays are designed to match the phone's chassis, which makes them one of the most reliable indicators of final color options. According to this leak, the S26 Ultra is launching in black, white, blue, and purple, and thankfully, there's no orange Ultra this year. Samsung has been using orange wallpapers in their official S26 teasers, but that almost certainly belongs to the regular S26 or the S26 Plus, not the Ultra. Based on these tray colors, this is roughly how the S26 Ultra should look. These are not official renders, just mock-ups created from the leaked colors. And it's worth noting that violet appears to be the hero color this year, meaning that's the one Samsung will push hardest in ads and marketing. But here's where things start to get interesting and, honestly, a bit concerning. If you look closely at the leaked parts, the frame color matches the body color on every single variant. That's a major change. On the S25 Ultra and even the S24 Ultra, every model had that silver or titanium-colored frame regardless of which color you chose. So this raises a serious question. Did Samsung just drop titanium? Titanium is extremely difficult to color consistently, and here's the detail that makes this even more suspicious. None of the leaked color names include the word titanium. That lines up perfectly with earlier reports. While we don't have official confirmation yet, everything so far points towards Samsung ditching titanium, which would be one of the biggest design shifts the Ultra series has seen in years. And it gets even better because you don't even have to manually enable it. Galaxy AI can control the privacy display automatically. If someone walks past you or glances towards your phone, the screen can instantly hide its contents on its own. No toggles, no menus, no effort. This is exactly how AI should be implemented: quiet, intelligent, and invisible. Speaking of AI, there's another upcoming feature in the S26 lineup that actually feels practical. When you add an event to your calendar, your phone can automatically inform other apps that you're busy. So if you schedule a meeting at 4 p.m. and later someone messages you on WhatsApp, Instagram, or SMS asking if you're free, your phone can nudge you and remind you that you already have something scheduled. Samsung is calling this feature Now Nudge, and it's essentially their take on Google's Magic Queue. It's not limited to calendars either. It's designed to understand context across your entire phone and give subtle, helpful prompts without you ever asking. If Samsung executes this properly, this is the kind of AI people actually want. Finally, Ahmed also mentions that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will offer a 16GB RAM option for the 1TB storage variant. Realistically, though, this will likely be region-limited, just like the S25 Ultra. Most markets are still expected to get 12GB of RAM even on the top-tier model. And that's not even everything. I've got 5 more Galaxy S26 Ultra updates coming, including one that could make it the fastest phone in the world. Click right here, and I'll see you in the next one.